we're just sticking with the basement, Alvin.
Which is the toughest job, really, the basement.